Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing swatches of the Colourpop Sweet Talk Pressed Powder Eyeshadow Palette. The palette retails for $18 and is only available on the Colourpop website. The palette features 12 shades that are a mix of 7 mattes, 1 metallic, 2 pressed glitters, 1 duochrome, and 1 super shock shadow. This pressed powder palette is also the very first of Colourpop to include the new formulated Super Shock Shadow as well as pressed glitter shadows in the palette as well. The Super Shock Shadow in this palette was specially formulated so that it wouldn't dry out. So if you would like to see swatches of this palette, just keep on watching. I'll be using my e.l.f. contour brush to do the swatches, and I did not apply a base or a primer beforehand. Starting with the first row going left to right, Catch Me is a pastel peach matte. Side to side is a champagne colored Super Shock Shadow with multi glitter. Garden Date is a metallic tangerine. Work It is a soft matte orange. Prima Drama is a rose gold and copper pressed glitter. Metal is a coral matte. Early Morning is a copper and gold pressed glitter. Dream Maker is a pastel baby pink matte. I See You Missed It is a deep peach matte. Melody is a rosy gold duochrome. West Side is a matte camel nude. And Feel Free is a wine colored matte. And these are the swatches of all the shades in the palette. All the shades were very pigmented and built up very nicely. Every shade except for the pressed glitters and the Super Shock Shadow had a lot of fallout, but again, I'm not concerned with it. This palette is very spring. The colors are cute and really flirty, and I had no issues with any shades. The shades Side to Side, Prima Drama, and Early Morning are best applied with the fingers, so that's why I included finger swatches as well. Prima Drama is such a gorgeous glitter shade, and although all the mattes performed phenomenally, Feel Free, West Side, and I See You Missed It were the stars of the palette. I was a bit skeptical about getting this palette because I was worried that it wouldn't be brown girl friendly, but as you can see, that's the furthest thing from the truth. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your notifications, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.